Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we are bringing you for sale a 1971 10th month 71 Falcon GTHO Phase 3 replica, and this car is Onyx black, white trim, Phase 3 replica. Very nice job. XA-GT, genuine XA-GT motor, and that has been built to Phase 3 spec with 780 Holly, and you've got your Phase 3 HM headers. You've got 4.V heads on it. You've got a 55 amp auto light alternator, and running through to a top loader gearbox, and 31 spline Detroit locker 9-inch diff, so really good running gear on this car, and beautifully restored. Very nice paint and panel. There's a huge photo file of all the work that's been done to the car with receipts. It was built in Melbourne. I'll show you inside. Might open the boot and the bonnet and just have a look inside. Look at that beautiful white trim. Look at that. From the factory, still got your plastic on the doors, but everything in here brand new. Got your 8-track. It's now an FM AM radio, and then through to the back. Look at that. Stunning. Wood lining's perfect. Very nice. All the rubbers are brand new, so you got to. Now this owner has you've got tools, you've got 36-gallon tie down, and here still in the packaging you've got your Phase 3 boot spoiler, so if you want it you can put it on. But look at the detail, you know, all of this sort of stuff with the light. Everything's re-chromed and re-cad plated. 25 miles on the odometer, so she's brand spankers. And look at this auto light. You've got your big radiator. Look at that. Really is like a Phase 3 10th 71, built out of a Falcon 500. Got your rev limiter, vacuum tank. Look at this, even your proportioning valve on a Phase 3. Look at that. Amazing attention to detail. Rod will start her up. W white trim, but really nice. I'll get you to listen to the car. Oh, 4Vs as well. 4V, 4-dot heads. So you got everything there. So what the owner's done is he's built it to genuine Phase 3 specs. Look at that, you've even got your little tag hanger. Just shut the engine bay down for you. And we'll do a couple of passes and let you listen to the car. So just go up and back. Look at those gold stripes down the side, beautiful. I'll just let you listen to this burble. Oh, that sounds fantastic. We'll just do a couple of passes so you can hear this car go up and back, but just basically brand new build car. just do a nice takeoff. Just hold on one sec, I'll just go around, show you around this car. Look at that, so straight, great in the black and the gold stripes, just fantastic. Okay, let's hear it. Light 'em up. Okay, here we go. We'll take it for a bit of a run now. Look at that, beautiful with the white trim. Have a look around inside. It's still got the plastic on the doors. It's got everything all beautifully done. That beautiful big shaker sitting out there in the bonnet. Put you in the driver's seat here. Wonderful speed bumps of Sydney.
So try and get the tacho and speedo.
Yeah.
Like the Wheels magazine.
Take her off the dial on in Sydney traffic. Yeah. I don't think so. Got some go, doesn't she? So the good thing also, you get the cars riding on 15-inch Bathurst rims, and you also get a set of 5 slots as well. So this owner has really done it so that everything that was with a GDHO back in 1971-72 is basically with this car. Yeah, very nice to drive, and as you've seen, beautifully finished on the outside, and engine bay and boot and everything, and very nice with this white trim. Now the only choice is whether you put the boot spoiler on or not.